hospitalization and laboratory procedures in all our own clinics. As I mentioned earlier, ang IWC nagpatayo na. And right now, dalawa dadami pa ng clinics. Kung ang ating card holder pumunta doon, libre ang konsultasyon, libre ang laboratory procedures, urinalysis, fecalysis, x-ray, blood count. So yun po, libre na yun kahit araw-araw magpa-check up. Libre. Opo, totoo po yun. Kahit araw-araw sila magpunta doon. Libre. Kaya accept sila. Our doors are open. Right. Ano ka pa? So aside from that, nagbibigay kami ng libre. May outpatient benefit po yan in any IWC accredited providers na 4,500 per year. Ito po ay para doon sa malayo sa clinic namin. Gusto magpakonsulta. Kung malayo po kayo sa clinic namin pero may malapit na ospital na accredited namin, then you can use this benefit para magpakonsulta. At kung kayo po ay require na magpa-laboratorio, you can use this benefit. Okay. Next. Ano pa po? Daily hospitalization. So, sabi nga natin kanina, we are the first to offer the daily hospitalization program. So, ibig po sabihin nito is that for every day na na-confine sila sa ospital, bibigyan po natin sila ng ganitong benefits up to a maximum of 150,000 pesos kung cancer patient po siya. At kung ordinary illness, maximum aggregate for 1 year is 100,000 pesos. Sa halagang napakaliit lang po. Anyway, ano pa po ang ibibigay namin aside from the hospitalization benefit? Of course, annual physical examination, CBC, urinalysis, fecalysis, and chest x-ray. And, ito pa po, aside from the hospitalization benefits para sa illness, meron din po silang dental care benefits. Ano po ba ang kasama dito? Simpleng tooth extraction. Basta wag lang po yung impacted at kailangan ng surgery. Libre na po yan. Pagpapabunot ng ngipin, kahit araw-araw po magpabunot ng ngipin, libre na rin po. Siyempre, ayaw natin kasi tayo ay magbunot. Of course. Prophylaxis, isang beses sa isang taon. Temporary filling, kung meron po kailangan tayo. Basta. So, ganun po. And other services. Plus, we also get discounts for mga iba-ibang klaseng dentures, services na kailangan natin. And everything is listed in the brochure that your loved ones back home will get for the complete details. Ano po? And dito po kagandahan ito. Kasi hindi pa po nagbibenta lang ng insurance. Kami bonus lang namin yan. Doon sa aming package, exclusive care program, may bonus po kaming life insurance of 50,000 if let's say the cause of death of ng ninyo is natural death. So may mapupunta po sa kanyang naiiwan na 50 mil at kung ang cause naman po ng pagpanaw ay accident, madodoble po ito ang 100,000. So as I said, sa iba po, yun lang yung pinapackage kami po, libre lang yan, bonus lang sa amin. So I always say ng card po namin, isa 5-in-1 card. Why you have hospitalization, you have dental, you have exclusive, you have unlimited consultation, you have life insurance, you have accident insurance. Marami pa pong bonuses. So I liken it to a 5-in-1 card. Alright, another option is the same thing, although mas mababa po itong premium na ito. Yung po kaninang diniscuss ko sa inyo, that only costs $30. Now, for this option naman po, same thing, same benefits, less premium lang, and this costs $20.
Ising ka na.
Diba? So, ganun po. Bumaba lang ng konti. Okay? So, you'll be able to learn more about this. We're gonna give you brochures later on for the complete list of benefits. Alright, now, in addition to that, we also provide product enhancement. Kasi sabi ko po, 5-in-1 ang card namin, dadagdagan ko pa po. No? Pag nag-avail kayo ng product enhancement, ano po ba ito? Additional benefits such as Nirvana Life Plan. Okay. Kasi po minsan sinasabi sa atin na ganito, minsan ini-enroll mo, hindi po sakit. Hindi nagdagdag po natin ang Nirvana Life Plan. So, insurance po tayo dito. Kasama na po dito siya. Kasama na dito yung 5 days viewing, 5 days body preservation, adequate viewing. It's provided by Thompson Plans International, which is
Pero hindi nyo pwedeng kunin yung Nirvana lang.
This is just an enhancement. Ibig kong sabihin, in-enroll nyo na yung loved one nyo sa aming programa Elite or Classmates, ay pwede nyo i-upgrade yung kanilang program at bigyan sila ng enhancement benefits. Another enhancement or gusto nyo ma-upgrade is surgical benefits, 20,000 activities per year. At napakamura po ito para pinamigay nga lang, monthly premium is $350 kung hindi gawin na po natin annual agad, which is $42. Ibig sabihin po nito, may additional 20,000 surgical benefit yung ating programa. No? Kung gusto naman po natin taasan pa, kung gawin natin 30,000 or 40,000, tataas lang po ng konti, pero parang ipinapamigay pa rin $7.50 a month or 40,000. So sa marami po sa amin sa Toronto, upgrade sila annual. And then another upgrade benefit ay ang dreaded disease coverage. Kung 15,000 po, gusto natin is lump sum, right? At pagdadabigay. Yeah? Ang annual premium is $7.20. Ito talaga pamigay. Annual po.
Annual na yun, 7.
Ilang centavos lang kasi isang buwan. Pamigay na lang talaga. Which means madadagdag sila ng 15,000 agad. 7.20, 10.20, and $18 for the option fee, which is maximum of 30,000. Alright, so why are we able to give you this very affordable product? Sabi nyo, kaya pa ba ng kumpanya yan? Ang kunti lang. It's because we trust na syempre dito, ang makuha natin ay maraming Pinoy. And also, kami kasi yung company na we are not just or not just after the profit. As what our president said, it is more of an advocacy program. Kaya gusto namin, we invite all of you to become part of this advocacy. Now, sino po ba ang pwedeng mag-member or ma-enroll natin or mag-benefit dito sa ating exclusive care program? Eto po sila. Basta nasa Pilipinas, loved ones naman siya, dati yung kakilala, dating girlfriend, ex-boyfriend, etc. Pwede nyo ikuha. Ex-husband, ex-wife, yaya ng ating mga tatay noon. Kasi may mga ganun po eh. So basta po ang entry age natin is 5 to 70 years old. There was one time po, kausap namin sa Toronto, sabi niya, wala na talaga ako, wala na talaga, nandito na lahat ng pamilya ko eh. Sino pa po pwede? Pwede ko bang ikuha yung katulong namin na nag-alaga sa tatay mo? By all means, pwede po. Eh, nang matanggap po nung yaya yung kanyang benefit card na yun, tuwang-tuwa siya at naluha siya talaga sa galaw. Dahil alam niya, hindi siya nakalimutan nung mga anak, nung inalagaan niya. So those things, hindi lang po ito limitado sa ate natin, kuya, tatay, nanay, anak. So as I said, anybody, kung sino mo pong kilala natin, gusto nating bigyan ng health card na ito ay pasado. Exit age is 75 years old, meaning upon reaching the said age, benefits accorded shall automatically cease or masastop na po. Now, just like any other, lahat po ng HMO sa Pilipinas ay may tinatawag na contestability period para sa pre-existing conditions. Sa IMS po, IWC, sa atin po, ang pre-existing conditions contestability is only for 1 year. Other HMO companies, 2 years. Tayo po, 1 year. Okay. Life insurance is contestable for 1 year. Okay? Surgical life plan and dreaded disease coverage are contestable again for 1 year. Annual physical examination is available on the 8th month of continuous membership. Now, pero kung po, bigla kung nagbayad na siya ng annual, din kinabukasan, pwede nang magpa-APE or annual physical examination. Okay. Now, the qualified immediate dependents of the primary member who may avail unlimited free and consultation in IWC only. If single, the parents, if married spouse, and all children ages 5 to 21. Ano po bang ibig sabihin ng last item na to? Kasi po, pag nakatanggap tayo ng health card, excuse me, this is the sample package that your loved ones will get. This comes out like this. And pag nakatanggap po yung plan holder, let's say si tatay, ang in-enroll natin, nakatanggap siya ng health card, yung mga beneficiary ni tatay ay entitled din sa free and unlimited consultation dun sa clinic na pagmamayari namin. So magkano pa ang konsulta ngayon? That's 400 pesos sa doktor. si tatay, card holder, meron siya 3 anak, na gusto ding magpakonsulta, 4,000, 4,000, 4,000, that's magkano na po? That's 1,000. 400, I'm sorry. 400, it's 1,600 na po agad, hindi ba? But, kung card holder si tatay, pumunta siya kasama mga anak niya sa aming klinika, he will not pay a single centavo. All he needs, yes ma'am, yes, libre po sa pagmamayari namin clinic. Kaya po, importante yung last item natin. We are not just selling it to the plan holder, card holder himself. Ang magbe-benefit din po ay ang kanyang mga beneficiary. So if single po niya, the beneficiary would be the parents. And if married naman po, ang beneficiary would be the spouse. And all children ages 5 to 24. Okay. So okay po. Very good. So now, what are the payment or subscription options? We do not accept cash. Hindi po kami nag-accept ng cash payment even in our offices because we want you to just pay using your credit card, void check, or pre-authorized debit. So sa Toronto po, kalimitan po ang ginagawa nila talaga is that yung pre-authorized debit arrangement, they give us void check, and that's it. That's how they pay. And most of our clients there, talagang ina-avail na po nila yung annual premium. Kasi po ang annual is just $240 if you're getting the $20. So instead of 1 ay magbigay ng $20 para din po minsan baka makalistaan or what. So kung gusto po natin, as much as possible, we are encouraging everyone to push for the annual subscription. But then, you have options for payment. You could pay monthly, quarterly, semi-annually, or annually. Okay. So there you have it, the program for your loved ones, how to avail of the program, how to pay, etc. Now, ano po bang advantage namin? It's because nilaunch po namin yan sa BC ngayong taong ito. We're gonna give you fixed rate for continuous membership. Meaning, kung nag-enroll po kayo at nasa $20 ang rate natin per month, kahit na yearly nyo pa siyang i-renew, fixed rate kayo at $20 per month. Because who knows, baka next year gawin namin 25. But then, yung maaapektuhan ng $25 would be the new enrollees. So, fixed rate po tayo, and this is because nilaunch po natin ito sa BC, and that is your bonus. Okay, again, no entrance medical examination required. Because some HMO companies, marami pang ipapapilap, magpa-medical exam ka bago kita bigyan ng health card or health insurance coverage. Kami po, walang ganon. But of course, yung nag-apply na lang sa ating contestant, a period of 1 year. Sa atin, age 60 up to 70 still qualifies with other HMOs. Hindi na po tinatanda. And sa atin, even yung high-risk type of job is accepted. Kahit nga po policeman, meron tayong package naman eh. Tapos, we own several medical facilities or clinics. Okay. So, ladies and gentlemen, dito po sa Canada ay protektado ang ating kalusugan. Sa panahon man ng pagkakasakit o aksidente, ay meron kayong care card, PC or MSP. Kayong magagamit. Here in Canada, you are protected. But think about your loved ones back home. Are they? The answer is not always yes. So, it's time to give them the easy advantage. So, ladies and gentlemen, we encourage you to enroll your loved ones back in the Philippines to the exclusive care program for them to be protected, just like you here in Canada. And we hope that you also become our partners in this very good advocacy and in our global journey to promote this very beautiful healthcare program to all Pinoys wherever they are in the world. Thank you very much, and